You're watching Winston GeL Cooking on Discover TV. Yes, on the YouTube platform. Today I'm going to do a pork roast. Yes, a pork roast. And you see this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so I'm going to season it up in this aluminum bowl, and I'm going to dress it up over here in this glass tray and put it into the oven. And you see this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. So I'm going to put some sea salt. There's some sea salt already. Some black pepper. Some all-purpose seasoning. Alright, so that's my all-purpose. Right, on the other side of it. And we're going to put some Maggi. Some onion powder. And some garlic powder. So that is my pork roast. So now I'm going to put some more. I'm going to put some more Maggi on it. Yes, once it's going to the oven, that's it. And some more onions, powder. Garlic. Even though I have fresh garlic, lots of fresh garlic. Lots of fresh garlic. Alright, so now I'm going to decorate it with some fresh garlic. And put some fresh onions in as well. So when the juice goes down, yes, the juice will get to the onions. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discover TV. So now I'm going to put some olive oil on top of it. Alright, I'm putting some bell peppers on. Just for decoration. I'm not going to put in a lot of them. I'm going to save it towards the end. Just save it towards the end. That is near finishing. You're watching Onion. Yes, Winston GeL Cooking 832 and both. Both Winston GeL Cooking and I am Winston GeL Cooking. One is the handle, yes, one is the channel. Alright, so I'm going to get this ready now. Go into the oven. Alright, so this pork shoulder is all seasoned up and ready to put into the oven, and the oven is going to do the job. Aww. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. My pork roast is ready for the oven. Pork roast is ready. Pork roast is ready for the oven. Alright, the oven is warmed up, heated up, and now it's ready to go into the oven. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. These are the remaining ingredients. Just carrots and a little bit of onions and some bell peppers, and scallion and garlic. Alright, now I'm going to slide it into the oven. It's coming along, it's coming along. Pork roast is coming along. Yes, the pork roast is coming along. It's not quite ready. It has a long way to go. You can see it's bubbling. See the oil bubbling inside the dish. Inside the glass dish. Yes, so it's in the oven. It's coming along. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. That is my pork roast. You're looking at my pork roast. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients and to take it home to the finish line. Alright, so that's my pork roast. And you see this in my cooking lab on Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Okay, I'm going to add some carrots in here. You're watching. I am. Yes. 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, now I'm going to put the rest of my onions. Yes, rest of my onions in. And I'll put some bell peppers. Special sauce, yes, from the previous project. Special sauce from the previous project. This one put some. Yes, what you're cooking. 832 on Alright, I'm going to put it back into the oven now. So everything is in, all the ingredients I need is on there. Alright my friends, it looks beautiful, it looks beautiful, it looks delicious. And it smells, cleared my sinus. The smell, the fragrance is so beautiful, so delightful. Yes, and it looks yummy, yum, 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 delicious and tasty. And I haven't even tasted yet. It looks delicious, delightfully, appetizingly delicious. And you'll see this in my cooking lab on Winston GeL, Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube. Yes, she's ready to be eaten. Yes, she's looking awesome. She's looking wonderful, spectacular, appetizingly tasty, and very delicious. And you see this in my cooking lab on, yes, on the one and only Winston GeL, Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so I'm going to put her in for 10 minutes. Okay, my friends, I'm ready. I'm ready to share out. Yes, I'm now ready to share out.